Hey, I'm Logan 7003. If you can hear some sound in the background, I'm going to be downstairs watching TV. Sorry, the cat's hair's all over me. Yeah, phone. Is the dude running up? Yeah, it's not dead. I'm just going to show you some ringtones I got from my friend and one I just got. Transformers, text.
Your phone has received a new text message.
Parents calling.
Parent alert! Parent alert! Parents calling you on your mobile. This is not a drill. Action.
Yeah, it's your dad calling.
Yippee-ki-yo! Your daddy's on the phone. It's your dad calling. Pick up the phone. It's daddy. Oh, my dad makes me want to dig my eyes out with a spoon.
Yeah, that one's pretty good. Scary girl answer. This one's like... He's going, answer me. She's saying something. Wait, this is the Terminator. This is like my favorite one.
I am the Terminator. I was sent from the future to terminate your phone because you never answered. I'm going to shoot it with my 9mm Uzi automatic with laser sights. Your phone has been terminated.
In case that wasn't like clear, here I'll play it again.
I am the Terminator. I was sent from the future to terminate your phone because you never answered. I'm going to shoot it with my 9mm Uzi automatic with laser sights. Your phone has been terminated.
Yeah. And here's the one I just got. I don't know. Yeah. Oh. Phone just hit the keyboard. Well, I want to say one thing. I'm working on my shirt. Yeah. And what you do is you leave a comment in the bottom. What you like? What type of shirt you want? Yeah. Shirt. Type of shirt, like t-shirt, Under Armour, hoodie, not hoodies, unless you want to pay $40. And I'm not, unless you want to pay actually $80, so I'm not paying for shipping on that. Yeah, so $40. So yeah, peace. Oh yeah, I'm gonna finish with my exit song and my entrance. I just came up with that actually now. Yeah, peace. Subscribe. It's also down there. And add me as a friend. And leave a comment buying my shirts. Peace.